Okay, today we're going to start to move into some more isolated strength testing. This should hopefully start to bring together some of the things we've already found. We saw when we were doing some of the strength and endurance testing, there was some differences side to side, especially when we were looking at the single leg sit to stand. So most of those repetitions were more in the endurance range, obviously, so they were greater than 12 reps. So here I'm going to try and take the reps down to somewhere between 6 to 10, at least on one leg anyway. What we're going to do here is we're going to start with the weight at 1.5 times my body weight. So the ratio says just for someone to run well, you should be able to do about 10 repetitions at 1.5 times your body weight. So let's see how I go. All right, 6 repetitions on my left. Again, wait for 3 minutes and then we're going to test the other side. All right, so 6 repetitions on my right leg, 10 on my left leg. So it goes along the same lines as what we saw when we did the single leg sit to stand. So a little bit off where I need to be on the right leg, definitely. And there's obviously a 40% discrepancy side to side. The single leg press is one of my favourite tests to use for my patients and clients because you often find some huge discrepancies side to side. And a lot of people really struggle to do their own body weight, let alone 1.5, or for athletes, 2 times their body weight 10 times. So really useful test. If you're not using it, start to put into your repertoire. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at some of the muscles in the legs in isolation. So I'm going to go and load up the hamstrings on the hamstring curl. We're going to have a look at the leg extension, and then we're going to have a look at calf raises. This time we're going to add some load though. So not endurance based, strength based. Okay, so now I'm going to have a look at the hamstring strength and the leg curl. So I'm starting at 30 kilos, or what the machine says is 30 kilos. And then I'm going to start again on the right leg first, and then I'm going to have a break and test the left leg. I'm going to see if there's any discrepancies side to side. Let's have a look at the right leg. So we're looking at 3 full repetitions on the right leg. Let's have a look at the left. So there we have it, working hard. So I was only able to do 3 reps at the 30 kilos on the right leg. I was able to do 6 on the left. So again, another 50% discrepancy in full repetitions through those hamstrings. Let's have a look at the quads. So obviously we've seen some big discrepancies so far on the leg press and on the leg curl. Let's have a look at the quad strength and the leg extension. So again, starting with my right leg, and then I'll do the left. So again, 3 full repetitions on the right leg. Let's have a look at the left. Again, we'll have a break for 3 minutes and then do the left side. So that was on 45 kilos there on the leg extension. And it's same as what we did just on the leg curl before. There's 3 repetitions on the right leg, 6 repetitions on the left. So again, a 50% discrepancy in full rep range on between legs. Okay, the final bit of strength testing for today, we're going to start to look at the calf raises. Now, we saw previously there's a bit of a discrepancy in my calf raises in endurance, but now we're going to load it up. We're going to put an extra 50 kilos on the calf raise machine, and we're going to see how I go. Try and keep the reps less than 10 reps, at least on one of the sides. What we'll see here, we've also got the ruler down there again. That's going to standardise the point where the reps will no longer count. We can no longer raise back up over the starting position. Let's have a look at the right leg. All right, so again, 3 repetitions on the right leg with that 50 kilos on the calf raise machine. Let's have a look at the left leg. So I've been pretty consistent with the last 3 testings. So again, 3 repetitions on the right side, 6 on the left side. So that's looking at the leg curl, leg extension, calf raise, all quite similar discrepancies side to side around that 50%. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. We're going to start to strength test the upper body, and then following that, the next day we're going to start to look at some rep max testing of some of the bigger movements. We're going to look at some lifts and some pushes.